Here on Iowa Ingredient, we celebrate the food we grow,
Beautiful heirloom.
experiment with Iowa food-centric recipes, and share the joy we all get when we take our first bite.
That is really nice.
If you want to dine out and experience the culinary talents of any of our Iowa Ingredient chefs, check out our website to see where they're currently working and cooking. One of those chefs, Katy Meyer, tells us a little bit about her own personal culinary journey.
I grew up in the Midwest. I graduated high school in Illinois. So I lived in Illinois, Wisconsin, Missouri, and Iowa. So I did a little Midwest tour. And I visited other places, but I really love the Midwest. I feel very rooted here. I've lived in Iowa City for 19 years now, which is longer than I've lived anywhere, and it feels like home for sure. I had no idea I'd be a chef. I wanted to be a teacher, I wanted to be an architect, I majored in art for a year. But I do also feel like everything that I wanted to do has synthesized into what I'm doing now. So that's gratifying. But no, I had no idea. I remember making outrageous sandwiches for my friends, or just like dumb stuff like that. And well, maybe I probably just want to make a dumb sandwich, but no, I had no idea. I know I said this before, but it's worth repeating. We have some of the best soil on the whole planet Earth. I'm not making this up. The best soil under our feet right here in Iowa. So just being able to enjoy with my family what that soil right here, like our home soil, can do. It's nice to be able to do that work in a place that we call home, that we really value and respect. And so, sure, California would be amazing because you can eat anything any time of year, but I don't feel an attachment to California, and maybe I would if I lived there, but it's nice to be here and, yeah, just to think about the actual earth that we're on.